There are also reward and incentive trips for the people who reach the qualifying levels set by the company. The examples shown here include Bali, Greece, and Dubai, and the idea is to create an experience with the people who have worked towards the required levels when they've come together and they celebrate each other and enjoy time with the wider community. The company offers the resort, food, drinks, and the organized experience once you arrive. Remember, the airfare is not included, but you do get your own personal travel portal within this that you are able to use to save money. So travel to the destination remains your responsibility, but you do have that included within your pack. These trips are not the reason to join. They are not a substitute for doing the work, but they are simply an additional recognition and experience available to the people who choose the distributor route and meet the relevant qualifications. For the right person, this can be a memorable way to celebrate progress with like-minded people from all around the world.